welcome to another JavaScript tutorial with Ezekiel the Mac. If you like this video, please smash the like button, rate, comment, subscribe and share. Now today we're going to be talking about the ternary operator in JavaScript. Now what is the ternary operator? Well, the ternary operator is a simplified conditional operator like an if-else statement. So let's examine some code. So we're going to look at a basic if statement here. We've initialized a variable called num to be 14, and we're just testing the value by way of condition of the value of num. So we're saying if num equals 14, then console log this is correct, else console log this is not correct. Now this is the conventional way of writing an if-else statement. Now with a ternary operator, everything is done pretty much on one line. So if we examine this format below, which is the ternary operator format, what we have here is the if statement, and the if statement in the ternary operator comes in the guise of a question mark. So the question mark would equate to the if keyword. So we'd have if, and then the condition, which would equate to num equals 14. Then we will have the expression if it's true, so which is this part here, which would equate to this is correct, separated by a colon. And then the expression false, which would equate to our else statement, which is this is not correct. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's look at an example of a ternary statement and how we'd write one. So if we have a const variable of result, here we'd have our condition, so we'd say num equals 14. So in other words, we're saying if num equals 14. So here we have our question mark, which is a replacement for the actual if statement. So if num equals 14 is what we have so far. Then we open quotes, and this is what's going to be eventually printed by console log to the screen. So we say if num equals 14, then this is correct. Then we separate that statement with a colon, and then we have our else statement, which is this is not correct. Then we end that with a semicolon. So just to reiterate and go over that again, we have if, and then we have our condition here in parentheses, num equals 14. We have our expression true statement, which is this is correct. Then we have our else statement, which is separated by a colon. Then we have the else statement, which is this is not correct. So if we console log this to the screen, we can clearly see that num is equal to 14. So if we console log result to the screen, we should get a message saying this is correct. And we do. So what if we wanted to change that particular number? Well, we'll clear the output. Let's change this to 12. 12 even. Save that. So here, just to run through it again, we're saying if num equals 14, which in this case it doesn't, it's equal to 12. This is correct, which it wouldn't be, which is our true expression. So we go to our else expression, this is not correct, which is what should be rendered to the screen when we run this. So we save that, run it, and it says this is not correct. So this, in a nutshell, is how we work with ternary operators in JavaScript. If you like this video, please smash the like button, rate, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.